Students, in this lecture we are going to solve 36 NEET style questions from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. The question paper document is down below in the description. 36 questions. Solve the question paper, set the timer for 20 minutes only and then come back to this video. We will solve the question paper together. I hope you found the question paper easy. Now let us solve the questions. Question 1. Which one of the following correctly describes the root system of a typical dicotyledonous flowering plant? A primary root develops directly from the radicle and gives rise to lateral roots of several orders. This is correct. The primary root is short-lived and is replaced. This sentence is for fibrous roots of monocots. The roots arise only from the plumule. This is false. It arises from the radicle. All roots remain confined to the region of hypocotyle. This is false because in adventitious root system, the roots can arise from any part of the plant other than the radicle and the hypocotyle. Right? So correct answer for question 1 will be A. Next, question number 2. Which region of the root tip in the diagram is responsible for rapid cell elongation and enlargement? That will be the region of elongation. Correct answer for question 2 will be C. Next, question number 3. Which combination would most reliably distinguish a stem from a root in a young flowering plant? Stem bears nodes and internodes. Root does not. This is correct. Stem always grows underground. This is false. Stem lacks buds. This is false because it bears buds. It bears terminal and axillary buds. It's the root that lacks buds. Okay. Stem absorbs minerals directly from soil. This is false. Root conducts photosynthesis. False. It's the stem that conducts photosynthesis. For question number 3, option A is correct. Question number 4. A typical leaf is composed of which 3 principal parts? A typical leaf is composed of leaf base, petiole and lamina. For question number 4, option A is correct. Question 5. A leaf shows a network of veinlets in its lamina. Which statement is most appropriate? It shows reticulate venation and is generally a characteristic of dicotyledonous plants. This should be correct. Parallel venation is false. It must be a compound leaf. It has no connection. It must possess a pulvinus. This is false for the network of veinlets. So for the network of veinlets, for question 5, option A is correct. Next, question number 6. Consider the following statements about simple and compound leaves. In a simple leaf, the incisions may occur without reaching the midrib. This is correct. In a compound leaf, the lamina is divided into leaflets by incisions reaching the midrib. This is correct. Third, a bud occurs in the axil of each leaflet of a compound leaf. False. The bud occurs only in the axil of the leaf. Okay, it does not occur in the axil of each leaflet. No, it does not. Fourth one, a bud occurs in the axil of the petiole in both simple and compound leaves. This is correct? Yes. Okay, so option 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Question 6, option B is correct. Next, question number 7. Match the type of compound leaf in column 1. Pinnately compound. In pinnately compound, leaflets are arranged along a common axis called rachis. Palmately compound, leaflets arise from a common point. Simple leaf, incisions do not reach midrib. Compound leaf incisions reach the midrib and form leaflets. So 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. Correct answer for question 7 will be A. Next, question number 8. Diagrams shown below are of phyllotaxy. Which sequence correctly assigns the examples to the 3 patterns? A will be alternate, B will be opposite and C will be whorled. Correct answer for question number 8 will be A. Question number 9. Which statement correctly explains why the arrangement of flowers on a floral axis is termed as an inflorescence? It describes the arrangement of roots. It describes the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. It's a very strange question formed by ChatGPT. Correct answer for question 9 will be B. Question 10. In a racemose inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow. This is correct. Reason. Flowers are born laterally in an acropetal succession. This sentence is also correct. But are they making sense with each other? In a racemose inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow because the flowers are born laterally in an acropetal succession. Both sentences seem correct, but R does not seem like a correct explanation. The answer given to this one is B. So let's go with B. R is not the correct explanation for A. Question 11. Which of the following correctly distinguishes the 4 principal floral whorls of a typical flower? Calyx and corolla are accessory, while androecium and gynoecium are reproductive. This is true. All 4 whorls are reproductive and all this is nonsense. So question number 11, correct option will be A. Question 12. Which set contains only examples of zygomorphic flowers? P. gulmohar, P. and cassia. This is correct. Question 12, answer will be A. Question 13. The 4 diagrams below illustrate the position conditions of floral parts in relation to the ovary. Which labeled condition represents inferior ovary? This is inferior ovary. Option D will be correct. Question 13. Option D is correct. Next question 14. Which of the following statements about the parts of a typical flower is correct? Thalamus is the swollen end of the pedicel on which floral whorls are arranged. This is correct. Calyx is the innermost floral whorl. Wrong. It's the outermost floral whorl. Gynoecium is not an accessory whorl. It's a reproductive whorl. The pedicel is the receptive surface. For pollen grains, no, it's the stalk of the flower. Stigma is the receptive surface. So question 14, option A will be correct. Next question number 15. Select the pair in which the first term refers to united members and the second to free members. United members, free members. Gamocephalus, polycephalus is correct. Correct answer for question 15 will be A. Right? Next question number 16. Identify the type of aestivation represented by the diagram. Wow. This is imbricate aestivation. Question number 16. Answer will be C. Next question number 17. Match the aestivation with the examples given. Valvate, calotropis, twisted, China rose, imbricate, cassia, maxillary, P. So 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. Question 17. Answer will be A. Question 18. Which statement about typical anther is correct? It is usually bilobed with each lobe containing 2 pollen sacs. This is true. It is unilobed. This is wrong. It's the female receptive surface of the flower. No. It's the male parts. It consists of a filament and lax chambers. This is false. Question 18. Option A is correct. Next question number 19. Epipetalous. Stamens are attached to petals. Epiphyllus. Stamens attached to the perianth. Monoadelphous. Stamens united into one bundle. Stamens united into 2 bundles. 2, 1, 3, 4. Correct answer for question 19 will be option A. Next question number 20. Which of the following correctly represents a sequence of increasing degree of stamen fusion? So we go from polyandrous to monoadelphous, diadelphous and then polyadelphous. So question number 20, option A will be correct. Question 21. Which of the following correctly lists the 3 parts of a carpel from basal to apical position? So at the basal position there will be ovary, then there will be style and then there will be stigma. For question number 21, option A will be correct. Next question number 22. Assertion. Mustard and tomato have syncarpous gynoecia. This is correct. Their carpels are fused. Syncarpous gynoecia because their carpels are fused. R is the correct explanation of A, isn't it? Question number 22. Option A will be correct. Next question 23. In the placentation diagram given below, which label type has ovules attached to the inner wall peripheral part with false septum potentially making it appear 2-chambered? That will be parietal placentation, isn't it? And this is parietal placentation. For question number 23, option C will be correct. Next question number 24. Match the type of placentation with an example. Marginal placentation will be P, exile. Tomato, parietal placentation, mustard. Basal placentation, sunflower. So 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. For question number 24, option A will be correct. Next question number 25. Which statement is consistent with the definition of a parthenocarpic fruit? It develops from an ovary without fertilization. This is correct. Does it always contain one seed? No. This is for drupe. This is also for drupe. Pericarp must be dry. This is for dry fruit. Question number 25, option A is correct. Question 26. Which statement correctly compares mango and coconut as fruits? Both are one-seeded drupes. Mango has fleshy mesocarp whereas coconut has a fibrous mesocarp. This is correct. Mango is a berry. Coconut is a capsule. This is false. Both have dry pericarp. Multiple seeds. Wrong. Coconut has no endocarp whereas mango has no mesocarp. Wrong. Question 26, option A will be correct. Next question number 27. Which sequence correctly describes the developmental fate of the major structures after fertilization? Ovule becomes the seed, ovary becomes the fruit. Everything else is just nonsense there. Question number 27, option A will be correct. Question 28. Which structure is the scar on a mature dicotyledonous seed through which the developing seed was attached to the fruit? That will be hilum. Question 28, answer will be B. Question 29. In the monocot seed, which structure forms the shield-shaped single cotyledon? That will be scutellum. Question 29, option will be A. Question 30. Consider the following statements. Gram and P are examples of non-endospermous mature seeds. This is correct. Castor is an example of endospermic seed. This is true. Most monocotyledonous seeds are endospermic. This is true. Orchids are always endospermic. Orchids are always endospermic. Orchids are non-endospermic, isn't it? They are monocots, but still they are non-endospermic. So this is false. So only 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So question number 30, option B is correct. Next question number 31. Choose the correct sequence for the semi-technical description of a flowering plant. First will be habit, vegetative characters, floral diagram, and then floral formula. This will be the correct sequence for the semi-technical description. Question 31, option A will be correct. Question 32, which symbol in a floral formula is especially used to indicate bracteate flower? That will be option A. Question 32, option A will be correct. Question 33, floral diagram and floral formula is of which family? It is of Brassicaceae family. Question 33, answer will be C. Next, question number 34, which combination of vegetative characters is correctly associated with Solanaceae? Leaves are alternate, simple, usually exstipulate with reticulate venation. Option A will be correct. Opposite compound and stipulate with parallel venation? No. Parallel venation will be out because it's a dicot family. Always pinnately compound and stipulate. This is wrong. You have to learn about the vegetative characters also of the family that is given. Question number 34, answer will be A. Next, question number 35. Calyx for Solanaceae floral characters. Calyx is 5 united, persistent sepals and valvate aestivation. Corolla is 5 united petals, valvate aestivation. Androecium is 5 epipetal stamens and gynoecium bicarpillary syncarpus superior exile placentation. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. Question 35, correct answer will be A. Next question 36, which one of the following combinations contains economic uses? Examples associated with Solanaceae. Tomato is correct. Chili, spice, tobacco fumigatory, petunia ornamental. Question number 36, option A will be correct. So students, with that we have completed with the questionnaire. Do tell me in the comments how much you scored out of the 36 questions. And I will see you in the next one.
In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe